One of the reasons why we started JFlow Controls was we looked at the industry and we noticed that people that had valve knowledge have been in the business for 20, 30, 40 years. They were retired or their companies got bought. We wanted to build a resource to help engineers, whether they were plant or mechanical or chemical engineers, to where they felt comfortable to come talk to us about their various applications so we could give them the right valve, the right application right now. When my partner and I decided to start the JFlow product line, I think one of the things that kind of separated us was we've been in the valve business for a long time. My dad had his own valve business, so I kind of grew up with it. When I was 11 years old, 12 years old, I used to, work in his shop, and I looked at what other valve companies were doing, and it didn't make sense to me that they were offering manual valves, but they didn't have the flexibility to mount an actuator directly to it. I wanted to bring that to where if a customer wanted a manual valve and then a couple months later down the road he wanted to be able to mount an actuator on it, we could do that. I wanted to be able to have the same mounting pad for a bunch of different valves. I wanted the stems to be the same and the ball to be the same. Nobody at that time had done that. I also looked at what the larger companies were doing, and they didn't have the flexibility and they couldn't make the deliveries. One of the things that prided myself was we would be able to ship out a product that day, and we've been able to do that for the last 12 years.
Everybody says they have great customer service. However, JFlow succeeds in the best quality customer service, as we don't mind getting our hands dirty, going out to the field, taking care of the issue at hand right there on the spot. We had a problem in Illinois. It's not that far away, but it's far enough to make a drive. We called with the problem. Our owner / president of the company, as well as upper management, went to the job site to bring the valve back here. We flew in our expert from California, took care of the problem, fixed it, and then drove it back to the job site that very same day.
Our main goal is to keep our customers happy and provide a service that keeps them online all the time. If you have any kind of problem, all you gotta do is give us a call. We're able to go to your site, repair valves, actuators. Once flew to Malaysia to fix a positioner for a customer, and all it was he left some bolts loose. So we'll travel halfway around the world to make sure your job is always working for you.